So hello all. We'll be discussing today about the individual parts. So yesterday we solved the tougher part of the question. Now we'll try to get a solution for all these individual parts. As we can see by symmetry, all B's are same and all C's are also same. So my aim is to find A, B, C, and eventually I'll also try to find out. Just a minute. Eventually I'll also try to find out area of this square. So if you just very carefully see, this is already a straight line. I'll also try to connect these and this and this. So if you try to see, this will also be a square. So eventually we'll try to find out area of this square as well, so that will come quite later part. So let us now focus on these parts. So I'll again go back to yesterday's concepts. I'll be connecting this part and this part, and as proved yesterday, this is equal to this because this is a part of a bigger circle. See, this is the bigger part of a circle, and this line acts as a radius similar to 4. Similarly, this line is also part of a bigger circle and also is equal to 4, and this bottom part is also 4. So this is an equilateral triangle. I'll be very comfortably writing 60 here. So now I'll try to find out area of this sector, this line of equilateral and this sector. So very simply I'll write 60 by 360 into pi r square. So r here is equal to 4 as the radius of the circle. So this is the part of sector. Now I'll want the area of equilateral triangle, so that I'll be getting this shaded region. I'll just highlight this with a different color. I'm trying to find out area of this sector, this part, this entire region. So I hope it's clear. This entire region, I'm trying to find out the part. So to find out that part, I'll be subtracting area of equilateral triangle. So let us see quite easily, root 3 by 4 r square. So when you subtract both, I'll be getting part, this pink shaded part. So this pink shaded part is again symmetrical to this. I'm shading in black, sorry. This is also similar to this shaded in black. Okay, so let me for sake of simplicity, let me put this as capital X. Difference between these two, which is equal to area of one shaded piece, equals to X. So two shaded pieces here will be equal to 2x. So now I'm clearing everything. So what do we have now? Sorry, I have 2x, the capital X, plus area of equilateral triangle. This will cover A, 2B and C. So we have first equation, this all is found out, this part. So we have first part of our solution will be A plus 2B plus C, this part. So now again I'll try to find out area of this part and this part. So how can we get area of B and C? So we have this part now. So if you see this sector, this is a part of a bigger circle. This part I'm showing, this part, this part, this part. So what would be that area? It will be 90 by 360 into pi r square, r again being 4. So इसका टोटल ये चीज़ का क्या सम होगा? It will be equals to A, this part A, I'm just writing down. So it will be equal to A plus 3b plus 2c. Okay, so this is the part, this is one part, but to simplify it further, let's park this equation. I have already found out area of this part in my previous calculation, which was equal to 2x plus area of equilateral triangle. So this part minus this part, this is already area of full sector and area of this. So what would I be writing? I'm copying this part again. So it is 90 by 360 pi r square minus 2x plus area of equilateral triangle. This is nothing but b plus c. So now you have area of b plus c as well. So what I'm just clearing the stuff, and let us write down what we have now. So I have first equation here. I have b plus c as we found out in previous equation. I have a plus 2b plus c, which is nothing but 2 times capital X plus area of equilateral triangle. So this also I have. So how can, now let me try to give some more clarity here. So you have b c, again you have b c, you have c and d, b and c. So now all are equal, so you have 4 times b plus c plus area of this inside part. Let me call it as a. Okay, it's already called a. So this, if I subtract from area of square, which is here 16, let me write it as r square, area of square, minus this bracket. We have found out value of b plus c. So this value you know, this value you know, you consequently get value of a. So a value you have got. So a is done, and again you had earlier 2 equations. You have an equation which gives you value of b plus c, and you already have a equation, major equation of this part, a plus 2b plus c, जो हमने सबसे पहले निकाला था. So from a you have already found out here. So you have 2b plus c is something and b plus c is something. Solving that you get b and c. So this is a quite long problem. So due to paucity of complications, I just showed you the approach, so you can get the answers when you try to solve this. So now let me see how can I find out the area of this square as we discussed. So borrowing the idea of already calculated part from my previous video, you can refer to part 1 of this video. We already have found out area of this blue thing. Okay, so हमको जैसे a already आ गया एरिया जो अभी फाइंड किया टोटल इनसाइड पार्ट का पेटल का, a minus 4 times the shaded area जो ब्लू अभी शेड किया, सिमिलर ऊपर इधर इधर. Let me call it as some k. K is area of this shaded part. This will give you area of square. So this way I approach this problem. There can be many other ways. So this problem is basically to revise your concepts. जैसे ये फिगर हम देख के we feel that it's a very complicated problem, but once you try to draw lines and try to get things in our perspective, you try to slowly get hold of this problem. So that is one thing. So continuing this problem, I'll try to show you one more trick here. So this is not actually finding out entire thing, but there is some good trick which I noticed here. I'll just show you that. So this is a continuation of that. I would like to join these parts as we did earlier. Here I would like to draw a dot, this and this and this. So let me just take a blue different color. So can we find area of this part? It's a very interesting observation here. Can we find area of this part? This part is obviously equal to this part. Okay, now this concept will clear most of your doubts in plane geometry as to how to visualize the problem. So I would like to find out area of this part जो अभी मैंने पिंक किया है. This and this both are equal, so I'll try to find out one part of the problem. So let us see what can we do here. Okay, so I would try to join this here. Easily you can see this is equal to 2. So this triangle, I'll be drawing this triangle here. You have height here, just 2. You need the base x. This is x. So this is a very good observation, that this part is actually height of the triangle, this part. Now how can we get the part x? So if this is x, this part is also x, and we have to find the area of this part. So this angle is 90 degrees, this angle. So what is the area of entire sector here? Sector would be 90 by 360 into pi x square. Okay, and now I need area of this triangle. Law of sines, half AB sine 90, which is nothing but this is a right triangle, of course, so no need of even sine rule here, which will be half x square. So clearly we already found out area of this part, जो blue वाला part था. ठीक है, so इन दोनों को subtract कर दूंगा, find out x मिल जाएगा, you get the area of triangle. So this is a very nice concept. You can also find out area of this part now, this part and this part, because you got a x here, and then you can find out this individual parts. So this was one concept which I wanted to show you. Just by extending this line, you can visualize how to find area of this triangle. So this was one thing which I wanted to show you. This is just an add-on to the problem, how to visualize and get area of things when there was nothing, there was no way we could find out, but again we got the area of this triangle. So that was it. Hope you like this concept. We'll be revising more plane geometry problems. So my objective is to do away with the difficult ones, then we'll go with the quicker approach problems, so that you get basics as well as tips to solve in a quicker fashion. So thank you for joining me. Hope you like this video.